Hello, grade 3 students. How are you today? Are you okay? Are you strong from COVID-19? I hope you're okay. Right now, we'll be studying again another lesson. All right. Are you excited to study? I am welcoming you to our computer class. Okay. I hope you're ready to study and I hope you'll be excited. This is easy. Now, today we'll talk about data handling, about Microsoft PowerPoint. As we know, Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software. We can use it to create engaging presentation slides. You know slides? I will show you. To open a new file in PowerPoint, click the Start button and then type PowerPoint. Select PowerPoint. All right. Let me show it to you how I do that. All right. So you can exactly follow. All right. Now, this is my screen. Okay. My screen might be different from yours. All right. So go to the here, click, but this is using I should say Microsoft. This is 8, Windows 8. So maybe in your computer is different. And here the search is right here. What I need to do is just type what to type, Microsoft PowerPoint. But I can just type PowerPoint P. All right, P. Oh, it's not coming up. All right, P, then O. You see, it shows up. W. All right, it's very slow to show up in this computer. All right, this one. Okay, I'll click it. All right, select PowerPoint. Now it's one now running in the background. It's running in the background. And then while it's running in the background, let's go further right here. Okay, now it's running already. What we can do is to, right? What to do next? What to do next is here. You click the right here, new, and then create presentation. All right, let's do like this. Okay, let's create new presentation like this. I'll create new and then blank presentation. Now it's already here. Okay, then the next thing to do, what's the next thing to do? There's a blank presentation, and then right here, a new window of Microsoft PowerPoint will appear like this one, like this one. And then what happens? There are placeholders in the side. Placeholders. You can see the placeholders right here. All right. And then we can see in the side, this is a placeholder. Yeah, it can be on this side. You can also see here on this other side, right here. Okay. Now it's up to you. Right. Okay. And then what's the next thing to do? We can put text, pictures, or charts in them. Now let us put text, pictures, and charts in them. All right. Okay. How you can do? You can put text, pictures, and chart in them. We can choose a theme. Okay. For example, we can choose some window, some chart right here. We can insert some photos, for example, pictures right here. All right. And you can find some photos, for example, like here, if we use that. Now it shows up, right? This one from the insert and then pictures. Okay. So that's it. And then we can also choose a theme for the presentation from the design tab. We go to the design, and here We go to the D design and we can choose that one. Yeah, sure. This one already, as you can see right here. Okay, now you can do like that. Erase that. Yeah, that's it. Right. And then there's a theme. This is called a theme. It's a set of design that is applied to the whole presentation. It gives a consistent and impressive look. Okay, now the next thing is we can choose different layouts from the layout button on the home. There's a layout button, home layout button. So like this one, home layout button. All right, where is the layout button? This is the layout button. Click that one. You can choose anything in here. So right here, okay, you can choose anything. As you see on my screen, we can choose anything also. All right. Okay. Now let's choose something like the first one, layout. Okay, so this is the layout one. There's another one right here. Okay, it's up to you. So this is it. And then what you can do next is, all right, you can say my mother. We can also edit, add or delete a placeholder. All right, we can type the text in a placeholder with any desired colors, fonts, and sizes. Example, this is the one. I can type here, my mother. All right, now you can select here. That one is Control A. And then you can make it big. All right, wait, it's not functioning well. All right, that one. And you can make this at the center. Center your content. So my mother already, like that one. And then you're right here, also center. So by Jane. All right. And you can say here 12 now is 09. All right. March 2022. But you can write your name. I'm just writing here Rolly by Rolly. Okay. So that's it. Right. Okay. You can make it dark if you want dark. That's it. If you want even bigger, you can make it even bigger. Up to you. Okay. The next thing is we can insert the next slide by clicking the new slide button in the slide group. Here, the new slide button. Here, new slide button in the home. Here, new slide button. There's another way of doing it, which is a lot easier. And then we can select which one. Okay. So, slides group, choose a suitable layout. All right. If I choose in here the layout buttons, new slide. All right. It will do like this. Okay. Example, this one from the new slide. Okay. Then the next thing to do, we can insert pictures into the slide to make it more interesting. First, select the insert tab and then pictures or button. I'll show you. Select the insert and then pictures. All right, what to do next? What to do next in here? What to do? Slide to make it more interesting. Insert and then the pictures button. Okay, here is the pictures button. We can insert pictures into the slide to make it more interesting. Or first select the insert tab and then pictures button. All right, for example, this is the one, the pictures button. Select the picture you want and click center. All right, let's use. Okay, now I don't have my mother's photo here. Like I will save a file first for my mother's photo. All right, and I will show you my mother's face will show up. Okay, let's find a picture of my mom. All right, right here. Okay, now let's delete that one. Oh, right here. I need to follow that exactly as it is here in the second button. right here. Okay. I can select another one. Not only this one right here. So this new slide, I can select another one. Title slide. Okay. Just right here. All right. Maybe just title and content. That one is better. Okay. I can put the picture here in many ways. Okay. One way is using this one, going to the insert and then pictures and selecting the images of users, owner, pictures. Okay, let's use that one. Okay, in here, so insert pictures and then look at here at the top, Acer. Okay, pictures here. This is like all right here, pictures, same, right here. Okay, now let's find a picture of my mom. All right, there she is. And I can do like that. And I can, there's a placeholder, I can drag it, I can make it big. All right. And then inserting, look at this. Select the picture that you want and click insert. I did already. All right. And then what happens here? Okay, I'll put like this. Okay. We can drag the picture to a new location like this one. We can also resize it by placing and clicking the cursor at any of its corners and then dragging it to the desired. Okay, let's copy this one. So easy to copy. What to do? Drag my mom's face right here at the corner. All right, same like that one. Okay, so I can drag her. I can even make her photo bigger. Okay, right here, you see the placeholders. Okay, and we can copy this one. This is my mother. Oh, that's easy to do. In here, there's nothing. There's a box here, text box. We can choose also a text box right here. You can type or say, hey, this is my mother. All right. I'll show you later on. Okay. And you say here, her name is Leah. All right. It says she is 643 years old. You can type, she is 67 years old. And then I love her very much. I love her very much. And you can control A to select and control X to cut and put the cursor right here and control V to have this one, another way of doing it. And you can make it big by making it here big. All right. Okay. So that's it. Let me see. Okay. This is my mother. Like, let me make it big. Okay. Her name is Leah. She is 67 years old. All right. You can say old. I love her very much. Okay. You can change this placeholder just like that. All right. Okay. So that's it. Or if you don't want to use that one, you can do like this. I love her very much. Okay, I got already my mom's description, and you can move this placeholder at the center. All right. Okay, so you've got this picture. You can also design this one if you want. You can use any format, or you can redesign like that. There are many ways of doing it. Okay, for the meantime, without this format design, I just leave her photo like this, and that's fine, just for you, so you can follow along. All right, next, and save us. Where to save? You want to save in the desktop? Okay, so example, you want to save right here, save us. Wait, save us, where to save? If you save, you can use either in the computer, or this is from the hard disk, or the browse. If you want to browse, you can save in the desktop. It's up to you. Okay. But for me now, I don't want to do that. I don't want you to do that because I want you to save it. Go to D, so you will learn that desktop is not the only place you can save. You can save anywhere. For example, you go to D and there is no here EP3. There's no EP3. All right. Then look at the top. There is this D. This is drive. Now you can do like this one. This is drive D. Right click here, right click, and then you can have a new folder and type EP3 and then enter and then click this one. Oh, wait, not working well. All right, just click it. You can use also here, open. Oh, my cursor is not working. Something is wrong with my computer, with this computer. Anyway, look at that. You can click open. All right, EP3 already. You can click save. My mother, just save. Or, okay. All right, you get EP3. Control S or say, wait, my computer is not working well. All right. I can just use save, alt save. That's okay. Oh, it's gone. All right, it's gone. Let me share again. Let me share again. Okay. Well, let me stop sharing and go there exactly so I can share it to you once again. This one. All right. Okay, save here. Yeah, it's already saved. Okay. So that's it. Yeah. So let's go back to the slides where we are learning. So you have saved it already. I don't want you to save the file on the desktop, but just right there, it drives D and you make a folder EP3. What's the next thing to do? You type the name of the presentation, like presentation my mother. All right, and save. Okay, now you can write here. You can also change this. Oh, no, not print. Oh, I made a mistake in clicking the print. All right, okay, no, save us. And that is EP3, or you can go to browse. So you can say my presentation, right? Is it my presentation? Exactly correct. All right. Okay. Yeah. Let me stop sharing it. What a challenge for my computer. Okay, here. My presentation. All right, it's already saved. If you want to see it, whether it's my presentation, my mother. Okay, you can do like this. Change, save us. Also, EP3 or browse is okay. Here, shortcut if you know it already. Here, you can say presentation, my mother. All right, that one. Presentation, you say my mother. Okay, I think that's fine already, right? Presentation, my mother. Next thing to do, close a presentation. We click the file tab and close and the close button. You may also use the close button at the top right corner of the window. Okay, here, close. A pop-up window will appear asking if you want to save any changes made it or click save. All right, let me show you. I'll close this file, right? Okay, let me show you again. Let me show you again. All right, I'll close this file. So here at the bottom, there is close. It's already closed. And then it doesn't show The save here button doesn't show. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. Never mind. Now, another challenge is to open an existing presentation file. Okay. How do you do that? All right. Okay. How do you do that? How do you open an existing presentation file? Open the PowerPoint software. Okay. And click open and then browse. All right. Let's do right here. Okay. Now open. Then you find it right here. Where? If you say computer, you can do like that. Maybe Nang Nai or EP3 because we place the file in EP3. And here it is, presentation, my mother. Okay. And after that, what happens next? Okay. Then select the presentation file. Are you looking at my window? All right. Select the presentation file that you want and click the open button. All right, this one. Okay. So I closed already, right? Let me close it. And then I will do the presentation file and open. Where is it? Here. Presentation, my mom. It shows up again. See how easy it is. Now we can play and view the presentation. First, click the slideshow tab, then choose the beginning button. All right, in here. Okay, I'll show you. Now this is, you see this? What does it say there? We can play and view the presentation. First, click the slideshow tab. Here is the slideshow from the beginning. All right. Okay. Slideshow tab. After that, let's go on. Here, we use from the beginning. You see here from the beginning? All right, that one. So it shows up like this. Then it goes like that. All right. So the next thing to do, yeah, from the beginning, we just chose, and then to slideshow, the slideshow will play. Now press return button in the keyboard to see the next slide. All right. Okay, that's return button can also be like enter. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, that one. So easy enough. All right. Okay. So you can follow it. Yeah. This return button is just like the enter in your keyboard. Next. And then it shows like this. This is my mom. All right. As you saw already here. This is my mother. In here, this is my mom. In there, this is my mother. Her name is Jenny. My mom is, her name is Leah. She is 42 years old. She is 67 years old. I love her very much. I love her very much. Okay, you can change the font also, you know. If this is the font that I've got, you can change this one. Into go to home, change, go to the bottom here, and change this like that. All right. Okay. So it's already changed, just like what happened to the other one. Now you can exit the slideshow by pressing the escape key in the keyboard. All right. Let me press the escape. Okay, that one also escape. All right. Now what next to be done is this. I want you to do the following. Hands-on. Create a presentation about your family. Instead of saying my mom, this is my mother, you say this is my family. Okay. It should contain at least 4 slides. Remember to save your presentation file and play the slides to the class. All right. Okay. Now I think that's for now. See you next time. Bye-bye.